Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've been gone for a bit. I've just been really busy, but I thought I would do another Dooney unboxing. Surprise, right? Well, this is what I like to collect. So yep, I've already actually opened the box. Box came in really good shape. Now, the interesting thing is that this is a bag that when you look at Dooney.com, and I love Dooney, there's no reviews on it whatsoever. And I apologize, I can't remember what year it said it was introduced for the first time, but it was either brand new or maybe a couple years ago old or something like that. I have never seen this on the website before in the past 3 years at all. And this, they describe, which intrigued me, it says it's a rich Italian leather that is designed for water repellency that's been treated, and it said it was similar to the all-weather leather bags. So that intrigued me. I don't know, I kind of saw the bag really quickly, so I'm not sure if I'll keep it, but I hope the color looks really good. But this is my first time buying this particular bag, and I don't think I've seen any reviews on it yet online. So I've already opened it, so that part is done. Okay. Alright. Okay. Quantity 54 of 62. So this is the small Sorrento satchel. Interesting. This is the small size, so it's basically the same as if you were to buy a Dooney & Florentine small satchel. That's pretty much what this is. I don't know if I'll keep it. Let's take a look. Looks like it's never been used. I don't think it's a used bag, that is. Okay. Interesting. Alright. Okay. So. Okay. So just carefully take this off. Sorry, that's my heater going off. You hear that? Okay, and I want to take this off just... Whoa, this was really taped weird. Okay, let me find the scissors. There they are. I want to see how the bag looks with these down, and it's smiling. So here it is. Yes, so the color of this is aqua. Now what's crazy is on the website, which happens all too often, is this color shows up really, really light. Like almost the color of the Dooney & Florentine leather in pale blue, but a little bit lighter. So this is a little more dark in person. You have the brown tomorrow trim. Let me just take, this is really stuffed, by the way. Now, it doesn't have the new dust bag, so maybe this is a little bit older. They really stuffed this bag. Wow. So let's just take a little bit out for a second. Let's see. Inside is actually leather. It's the standard Dooney setup, so there's no green suede like the Florentine, because this is not a Florentine bag. This is your strap. No. Thing I noticed right away is it's heavy. I think it was either the same weight as the Dooney & Florentine small satchel, but I don't remember. It's really heavy, yeah. So the only thing I do see, there's a little spot right here. It's really light. I don't know what that is, but yeah, Dooney & small satchel. Feet on the bottom. You have your tassels on the side. I'm going to see here if... There's a lot of stuff in here, like I said. Sorry if I'm repeating that, but... yep. Here's the inside. It smells kind of like chemicals, like you can really smell the spray on. But it does smell like leather, I will say that. I'm just feeling the weight. Yeah, that's kind of heavy. But it's not like terribly heavy. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let's see. Let me get out my Florentine small satchel real quick. Okay, because there's something I'm noticing, and I could be wrong. So, here is my Dooney & Bourke Florentine small satchel. And what I'm seeing is, it almost looks like they're, like, this one's bigger than that. So let's compare it. Nope. As you can see, they're pretty much, that aligns the same. Florentine looks to be bigger on the end than the blue. Huh, maybe, I think it's just the trick of the light, but I don't know if I'm going to keep this because I already have, like, for example, that other the small Florentine satchel in the color, oh, I forget, pale blue, not pale blue, but dusty blue. And this is kind of in that same color range in a way, but yeah, I just thought I would share that with you guys. I might not keep it. It's just because, you know, times are tough too. So, but yeah, let me know what you guys think. Oh, and like I said, one thing, the difference with this leather that I've never have purchased before is the Sorrento, which is known for really contrasting pebbling. From what I've seen from the website, as opposed to the regular pebble grain leather, like this is more small grain, but you see it more. It pops out more, which is not really what I like. So that's kind of the reason why I might return it. It's just an okay color, but yeah, this is the first look if you're looking to get this bag. This is once again in the color aqua. So yep, thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you for my new subscribers. I really appreciate you, and I hope you guys had a really wonderful holidays lately. I hope they've been great for you. So yep, I will talk to you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.